Not knowing you're the rebound girl in a relationship sucks. All this time you think he really likes you and it's going to progress into something serious. Meanwhile, he never planned on being anything more than casual with you. So, figure out where you stand with him. I know you don't necessarily want to know if you're a rebound girl. But trust me. It stings less if you find out now rather than months into the relationship. That way, you decide for yourself what you want. If you're cool with being the rebound, that's fine, not everyone wants something serious. But if you want more from him, know where you stand. It's time to know the truth and the signs you're the rebound girl. 1. They just left a relationship. This is one of those huge signs you're the rebound girl. If it's only been a couple of weeks or months since they were in a relationship, you may be the next woman. Either way you look at it, jumping from one relationship to another isn't a sign of an independent partner. At the same time, they're the only person who knows when they're ready to move on. So, be careful. 2. You're all over their social media. Every photo they post has something to do with you. Now, it can look sweet and innocent, but it also could be used to make someone else jealous. If he's trying too hard to show you off, they're trying to prove something. And most likely it's to show their ex they've moved on. 3. They don't want anything serious. Maybe they've told you or hinted to you subtly they're not looking for anything serious. And there's a simple reason for this: he just wants a rebound. You're not the girl for them, you're the girl for right now. If you're good with this, great. If you want something more, then this isn't going to work for you. 4. It's all about their ex. We all have ex-partners who left us scarred, it's normal. But what's not normal is talking about your ex constantly with someone new you're dating. You're not a therapist. If you're noticing him talking more and more about his ex, it's safe to say he's not over her. 5. He didn't have a breakup period. Usually, you take months to grieve and secretly stalk your ex until you move on. But with him, he never had that period to move on from his ex. Instead, he ran as fast as he could to find someone else. This isn't a good sign. Ask him when he broke up with his last partner.